Hi, in this video, we will take a look at how you can create a Zapier integration. We will make an example integration with Google Sheets through Zapier, but you can use it with any kind of application, and you can trigger to send any certificate or badge as a result of the actions. Access your Zapier account. Locate the Create button on the upper left corner of the main page, click on it, and select Zaps. Once you access the Zap editor, you can begin configuring your integration. Start by renaming your Zap in the designated area at the top. Click Trigger within the Zap editor and choose Google Sheets. Once you select your integration, extend the Event menu and select New or Updated Spreadsheet row, then click Continue. You should see the Sign in to Google Sheets option within the menu. Click that and activate your Google account on the pop-up window. This is necessary for Zapier to connect two applications. I'm already logged into my Google account, so we'll continue. Now, in the Trigger section, choose the spreadsheet that you have prepared in the Spreadsheet section. After selecting your worksheet, press the Continue button and complete it. This is an example sheet we have here. As you can see, there's only full name and email columns on the sheet now. Check your Zap in the Test section, so you can observe if an error has occurred. The Action part also has a section for choosing an app and event. Type Sertifier into the search box and click on our logo below. There are a lot of different actions and triggers to choose from. In this guide, we will go over the most commonly used action, which is Add and Publish Credential. Extend the Event menu and select the Add and Publish Credential option. Now we can proceed with the most important step of the integration, which is logging into your Sertifier account. When you click the Sign In button, Zapier will ask you for the API key. You can find your API key inside Sertifier application from the Settings at the API and Integrations tab. Find Zapier from the list, copy your code and paste it to the required field and continue to set up the action. Once you connect your account, you need to create a new credential campaign within the Sertifier application. Navigate to Advanced, Integrations and choose Zapier from the list. You will be directed to the campaign page, in which you should choose or create your credential details, design, and email template. You can pause this video and see the related video on how you can create a new credential campaign. And then come back to proceed with your Zap. In the Action part, we enter the necessary information and complete our Zap. You should select the credential campaign you created within the Sertifier app. For the name field, you need to choose the attribute that matches the name column. In our example of this Google Sheets example integration, it is the full name column, so I'm choosing that. I will do the same for the email field. Issue date and expired date fields are optional. If you would like your certificate to be shown on a specific issue date, you can directly enter a date here, as in day, month, and year format. However, if you would like to set it up today you're sending, you can leave it empty and the system will set it to that date you're sending. It is also the same for the expired date. If you want, you can set an expired date here. The Quick Publish action will send the certificate automatically once you set it to True. All of the custom attributes you created in your Sertifier account will be shown here in the Attributes field. If you are using any of these attributes on your certificate, you can choose the columns from here like we did for the full name and email fields. You can leave the ones that you will not use empty. We also have an external ID field which you can put any value that you choose to map the credentials with an identifier which you can use on your own system. It will also be returned as a response to this action. The last step before publishing your Zap is the testing stage. Hit the test action, and this will perform sending a test credential, which you can see here. You can see all the information that you created here. If everything looks good, you can click Publish to make the Zap live. A certificate or a badge will be sent automatically based on the actions you choose through Google Sheets or any other application that you choose to make an integration with. That's it for this video. Hope you find this helpful. Don't forget to see our other videos for more information or contact our support team.